After World War II ended in 1945, people around the world hoped for peace. But sadly, violence and hate didn't stop there. The reasons for these sad events and their impact can be broken down. Causes. Many groups wanted to have their own country or more power within their country. This often led to conflict. Sometimes people were targeted and hurt because they were different, in what we call ethnic cleansing. Specific cases. In places like the Balkans and Southeast Europe, new countries were born from the breakup of Yugoslavia. This led to terrible wars in the 1990s, with people hurting each other based on ethnic lines. Fights for independence or power. Ireland saw a long fight called the Troubles between groups who wanted to be separate from the United Kingdom, the IRA and Sinn Féin, and those who didn't, Protestant loyalists. Chechnya fought hard to be independent from Russia, leading to much destruction. There were multiple conflicts and the horrific hostage-taking and death of 334 people, including 186 school children at Beslan. Groups wanting their own country. Basque Country had a group called ETA that used violence to try to become independent from Spain. Their support declined after Spain became democratic in 1975, and they still continued to fight. In Belgium, some in the Flemish region want more control or even their own country, but this movement is mostly peaceful. Targeting specific groups. During the Bosnian War, part of the broader fights in Yugoslavia, Bosnian Muslims were horribly targeted. In Kosovo, Albanian Muslims were badly hurt by Serbian forces as they fought for independence, leading to many people having to leave their homes. What came out of it? These events left deep wounds. Many people died, were forced to leave their homes, or were deeply hurt in other ways. These fights changed maps, creating new countries. They showed the world that sometimes outside countries need to step in to help stop the fighting. But finding the right way to do this can be very hard. There are forces that want to do violence again. These sad times remind us how important it is to talk and try to understand each other, instead of fighting. They show us the value of respecting everyone's differences and working together for peace. So even after World War II, the world has seen too much violence because groups fought over land, power, or because they were different. These stories are tough lessons on why we must always work hard to live together in peace. We are humans. What would a humanist like Erasmus think of us? Tell us in the comments, share, like, and subscribe.